This sort of stuff gets me fired up, and more people need to be aware of it so that let's just make things a little easier when it comes to wanting to grow your trading account. I've done a lot of videos, but I guess call me out if I'm wrong in the comment section, but I don't think I've ever done a video from this perspective and explained in this way. And shame on me because, yeah, I don't know, I apologize because it took a comment from Facebook to really kind of just make the light bulb go off and say, no, wait a second, you kind of have a wrong perspective and I should be explaining this perspective out there. But if you are somebody that, I need a little bit more money in my trading account, or, I need a little bit more, just fill in the blank of needing more money, just realize that there's plenty of trading opportunities out there. Now, I have talked about this ticker symbol in the past, but I don't think necessarily from this point of view. So let me first just get to this comment. And honestly, I don't remember exactly what the original post was when I took this screenshot, but what they say is this. So Ryan says, not trading, but was up for work at 4 a.m. this morning. Still good here?
Yep.
First off, Ryan, awesome. 4 a.m., that's beast mode right there. And 4 a.m. for what? Well, for work. Or in other words, a great ticker symbol out there, ticker symbol being JOB. And ticker symbol JOB, which I have talked about in the past, is the safest way to grow your trading account, because assuming you're not like a drug dealer or doing something sketchy, then there's a good chance that you will get paid, in your job. But what actually is a job? This is where I argue, and I want to, Ryan, tell you, hey, look at it like this. And for you as a viewer, look at it like this when you have to go to the job. Sure, you're not trading, but I would say you are trading. What are you actually trading? Well, what is the one thing that I don't care how poor you are, I don't care how rich you are, I don't care anything about you. What is the one thing that it is what it is? Well, what it is time. Time is something that needs to be valued, and there's 24 hours in a day, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, the richest people in the world, at least at the time of this video, they cannot stretch time into, they have 27 hours per day. No, it's 24 hours per day, end of story. So time, very valuable commodity. But Ryan says, well, I'm not trading. You are trading though. What are you trading? You are trading your time. And what are you trading your time for? Well, you're trading your time for a job. But there's an exchange happening. You are giving your job, your employer, your time. And if you're, obviously a good employee, then you're going to be providing, that time is going to be worth something to the employer. But you are giving your time to the job. And why are you doing that? Because you're a kind little saint? Because you're just, kumbaya, and you just, want to make, peace, love, and rock and roll, or whatever. Point being, why are you doing that? You have an ulterior motive. And the ulterior motive is what? Well, your job is going to give you money. And of course, this money is kind of a side note. It doesn't have to be this way, obviously. But that money can then lead down to your trading account. And when money is flowing into your trading account, what is that going to do over time? Well, that is going to cause your trading account to rise in value. So Ryan, or anybody that's got to go to the job, you are making a trade. You are trading. In fact, you are doing the most guaranteed trade out there. You are working a job. You are trading your time to help your employer, to whether that's provide a service, whether that's to build a product. You are exchanging, you are trading your time for money, which then can be put into a trading account to build up the trading account. And I bring this all up, and this is not necessarily anything new, but just be aware. I have a small trading account, therefore I can only grow it by trading. Well, now we have to actually specify, what do I mean by trade? By trading the market. But I don't really know what I'm doing because I can't really afford to learn anything. But I want to grow my small trading account by trading. I would challenge you. I would remind you, no, there is another trading opportunity out there. Pick up a JOB. Pick up a part-time JOB. That's a great ticker symbol to trade your time for, because when you trade your time, once more assuming you're not a drug dealer or something sketchy, you are going to get compensated for your time, which is a great trade. Trade your time for money. If that's not one of the more classic trades that are out there in the market, I don't know what is. So just remember that, Ryan, and thank you again for saying that. But you were making a trade, Ryan. You're waking up at 4 a.m. to go make a guaranteed trade. And guaranteed trades are awesome because at the end of the day, if you try to grow your trading account by actually trading the market, there are no guarantees in the market. If you are trading your money and taking on risk with that, well, the risk comes in the form of, yeah, you may not make a profit. In fact, you may actually lose money. And sure, there is risk in this trade up here, but it's a very, very minimal risk. And if your ticker symbol JOB all of a sudden says, no, we're not paying you, in this day and age, they're going to have a massive problem on their hands. So while I can't say that there's no risk with this trade up here, it's a very, 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 very minimal risk compared to the potential risk that would be down there via I'm going to trade the market to actually try to grow the account. So keep that in mind. And yeah, get out there and make these types of trades. There's no sure way. There's no more guaranteed way to grow a small trading account. If you are out there trading alone currently and maybe are in the market looking for a community to join to assist you in your trading or to just help you, give you another set of eyeballs, then I do have a private trading community where you can trade alongside me and other experienced traders. So what you see popping up on the screen right now is both an information link. So if you click on the inner circle one, that is going to take you to the page where I explain all the details of what exactly come with the community, both the chat room and the newsletter. And then the other image that has popped up is a behind the scenes tour where you can see exactly what is going to be contained within the community. I take you through, like I said, a behind the scenes tour of everything, and that way you'll know precisely what you are getting when you join. So definitely check that stuff out if you are interested and thinking about wanting to join a community, and let me know if you have any questions.